Hello, testing 1 2. Anybody there? Hello, testing. Anyway, hi, my name is David Bupane, and today we are going to stay uncomfortably close to the lens. Just kidding. But we are going to talk about something very important, which is waste and recycling. Too often, us techies have a tendency to move on to the next big thing, the newest phone, the newest laptop. And in the process, we generate waste. I'm guilty of it. You're guilty of it. If you're not, hit me up. I'd like to know your secret. But it's not everything that is all that needs to be thrown away. So this, my home automation controller with the touchscreen and everything, I'll be able to monitor temperature, humidity, turn lights on and off, all that good stuff. You can see the laptop that I converted into a tablet. We got the guts right here, and I'm gonna walk you through how I did what I did. So let's get started. First things first, safety. If you do not know what you're doing, don't do this. Your safety is the utmost priority, and I do not want to be liable for anyone injuring themselves. So, disclaimer, do it at your own risk. Identify the battery. It's gonna have warning labels on it. It's gonna have the capacity and all kinds of wonderful information. Once you get this battery pack removed, you're good to go. Make sure that your DC power is disconnected. In my case, the laptop has a touchscreen in addition to having a display. So those are two separate ribbon connectors. All we care about are the motherboard and the display. I have been working in the tech field for a while and in electronics, and with how quickly technology advances, we have a tendency to just, get the latest thing, the newest thing, upgrade, but in the process it generates a lot of waste. And as someone who is environmentally conscious, I wanted to prevent myself from becoming a bigger part of that waste problem. I realized something. Servers don't actually need to be that powerful, and as someone who is into home automation, this can actually be the perfect server. I can run something like Home Assistant on it, which would allow me to automate a whole bunch of things, get temperature, humidity sensor readings, turn lights on and off, and have complete control. And as an added plus, I can put something like Plex Media Server in the background. Obviously, with the current state it's in right now, I just use foam board before I do the proper 3D printing of the enclosure to see whether it was worthwhile. It's not gonna be, the prettiest thing as it stands right now, but I accomplished my objective, which is preventing this thing from going to waste. I cannot state enough how important it is that we not be wasteful. When you look at how the tech industry works, we're constantly pushing the boundaries, we're constantly innovating, but it's not everything that is all that needs to be thrown away. So I'd like to leave you with that, and I hope you have a great day. If you like that, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Take care. Have a great day.